Hi boys and girls. Today in this short video we are just going to learn how to bubble letter. Now I know some of you already have a technique on how to bubble letter that you know, but this technique that I'm going to show you works for every letter and it makes very good bubble letters. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the word that you're going to bubble letter. And when we write this word down, you have to write it light and you have to give a little more space than you normally would between your letters. So if I choose the word boo, like a ghost would say, I'm gonna draw my letters lightly, and usually I'd put the next letter right next to this. I'm gonna give it a little more space. So I'm gonna put the other O there and I'm gonna space them out a little when I do the second O. Now, this is the important part, and I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see. When you go to do your bubble letter, you start a little bit away. I'm gonna put a point there. You start a little bit away from your letter. Your pencil is never going to touch the letters that you just wrote. Never. You're not gonna cross the line. You're not gonna bounce off of it. You're not gonna come near it. You're going to take your pencil from this point that I just put there, and you're going to drag your pencil the same distance. I'm trying my best to stay the same distance away all the way around. If it gets a little bigger in some areas or smaller in some areas, that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we're going to try our best to stay the same distance away. Now, if your letter, like a B, a P, an O, there's a bunch of other ones, a lowercase a. If they have a center to their letter, you're going to have to also bubble the center. So you do the same thing. You start a little bit away from the line you drew, and you never touch the actual letter. You just follow the shape. And let's do it for the O's. Our point is away from our letter. We take our pencil, and we stay the same distance away as the point we made, all the way around. Same for the inside. And for the second O, we stay away from the letter. Don't ever touch it, and do the inside. Now, the next step is to erase the letter that you drew. Not the bubble, just the letter. So that's this part in the middle. You're gonna have to use the skinny part of your eraser and just very quickly go through and erase just the letter. It's okay if you don't get all of it. We're gonna do a little more erasing later. There we go. And now, if you want to make that permanent, you just trace the bubble and not the letter we erased. And then once you're done tracing the bubbles, you can go back and really good with your eraser get rid of any of these lines that we missed so it looks nice and clean. Okay, and there you have it, a bubble letter word. Oh, I smushed some of my Sharpie right there. That's what happens if you erase too quickly. Okay, boys and girls, have fun. Bye.